In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on working status on Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to show your teammates that you're active and available, so collaboration stays smooth and expectations are clear. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace in your browser. Once you're looking at your boards, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile. This might appear as your photo, your initials, or a small avatar circle. Click that profile area to open your personal menu. This menu is where Monday.com collects quick access items related to you, like preferences, notifications, and the status control we need today. Inside that profile menu, look for Working Status. This is the control that broadcasts your current availability to your team. It's designed to be simple, fast, and visible from anywhere in your account. When you turn it on, colleagues get a clear signal that you're actively working, which helps them know when to expect timely replies and makes planning across boards and projects more reliable. Go ahead and click Working Status to turn it on. The platform will update your status instantly, and you may see a small indicator next to your avatar that reflects you're currently working. From now on, your availability will be visible across your workspace, helping teammates assign tasks, mention you in updates with confidence, and coordinate handoffs without guesswork. This one change can reduce missed messages, cut down on back and forth, and keep projects moving at the right pace. A few quick tips to make the most of it. Turning on working status is lightweight and doesn't require additional confirmation. Monday.com saves it right away, so you can toggle it without leaving your current page. If you use multiple boards or views, the status carries across your entire account, so you won't need to repeat the change elsewhere. And if your team relies on notifications or automations that reference availability, having your status on helps those flows behave more predictably. If you don't see the working status option in your profile menu, it could be due to workspace permissions or plan differences. In that case, check with your workspace administrator to make sure the feature is enabled for your account. Once it's available, you'll manage it from the very same profile menu in the upper right corner. That's all there is to it. Click your profile in the top right, find Working Status, and turn it on. Simple, quick, and a big help for team clarity. Thanks for watching, and keep your status up to date so your team always knows you're ready to collaborate.